Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate AI subtitle like this. Hey, this is Kalam again here. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate text to image or photo. This is absolutely free project. So this link I will attach in the description below. When you click this video, I'm going to explain you how you can generate this type of subtitle using a video editing software. I mean CapCut. You know CapCut, absolutely free video and editing software. You can use your mobile phone or PC or laptop, desktop. All devices are supported. So let's get started. First, you need to install CapCut software. I have already installed. So at first I input a video. So like this is video. So I input here. Then drag and drop here. Then now just click text button. Then you can see this is auto caption. Just like click here. Then choose your language. If your language is Chinese, Dutch, English, French, German, Indonesian, etc., here are lots of languages supported. So my video language is English. I select English. Now click here, clear current caption. If you click here, if you speaking any fault, this is fixed automatically. So just click here for create. Then you need to wait 30 seconds or 40 seconds for processing. It's depend on your internet connection speed or low speed or high speed. So I'm waiting few seconds. Wow, title already generated. Now I want to check here. Just wow, you can see this is my text. I want to bold here. Just drag and drop. Then you need to choose and template. Just click here. Then you can see here the 6 template available here. Using your mobile phone are available 20 plus templates. So I want to use one by one. Just click here. Wow, generator, it is absolutely free for use. So this link I will attach in the description below. This is pretty good. Then I want to check another. When you click you are ready. Wow, then I want to check another. Direct to this website. So let's get this one. Done it. At first look, you can see this is it. Adobe Firefly. Wow, this is really nice. And now I want to change font color. Just click this color. Then I select yellow. Yellow is very good. You can choose any others. This doesn't matter. Then this is more small. Oh, good. Now if you speaking any fault language, it's available here, correction. So let's get started. Watch, look, here is a lots of option, and you can see this is a wrong word, kalam. So I want to correction this word. So you can see this is, and now look like here new video. You can see this is look like a better. So now just click here for download it. Just click export. This is easy work. So if you want to more video about those type of, please comment below. I'll try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care.